Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Sahur from Italian Brainrot, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started with the rectangle shape. So on the very top we're going to draw in a straight line that comes directly across. Now from here on both sides we're going to extend this further down. So we're going to bring a straight line that comes down on the left, and then we're going to do the exact same thing as we move down on the right. And we're just going to end that at the same height. Let's flatten this out on the very bottom now with another straight line, making sure that connects together. Let's draw in our eyes. So from the center, stepping over on the left-hand side, let's draw in a nice big circle. And then we'll leave a small gap moving over on the right-hand side, replicating that. Now as we move over slightly further towards the right-hand corner, we're going to draw in another circle for that pupil. And then right on the very top, we're going to draw in another circle in the right-hand corner for that highlight. Now let's color in our pupils black. Let's come up above for the eyebrow. We're going to connect this. We're going to point this around, curving that back through and then down, connecting that at a point. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the right-hand side as well. Now coming over from both eyes, we're going to draw in a small corner bracket. Now let's close off the mouth. On the top, we're going to curve this line across. And then underneath, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line, moving that through. Now on both sides, let's draw in a small straight line coming down. And then to the left of this, we're just going to draw in another curved line from left to right. On the bottom for the teeth, we're just going to curve this line across again. And then for that tongue, we're just going to arch this line over. Now let's come underneath. We're going to add a small detailed line, just curving that through. And now let's write in the word job above. So we're going to start with the letter J. So right on the top here, we're going to draw in a small straight line. To the left of this, we're going to bring this line down, around, and then back up. Let's move across towards the right-hand side again, curving this down, around, and then through, ending that at the same distance. And then we're just going to close this off with a straight line. Now let's write in the letter O. So we're going to, in the middle, just draw in a nice big circle. And then right in the center, let's replicate that with an oval. Now let's draw in the letter B. We're going to draw in a straight line coming down. On the top, we're going to curve this line around and then back in the middle. And then we'll do the exact same thing as we come underneath. Now in between both of these, we're going to draw in a small straight line coming down. And then we're going to curve this line across, bringing that back through. Let's draw on that left arm. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line out on the top and bottom. Now to the side of this for the wrist, we're going to curve this around and through. For the thumb, stepping down, we're going to arch this line around and in towards the top. For that first finger, we're going to curve this around and down. In the center, let's replicate that, curving that up, back down. And then for that pinky, we're going to come across on a diagonal, curving this around, connecting that together, bringing that back through. And then in the middle, just drawing in a small curved line. Now let's draw on the bat. So underneath, we're going to draw in a diagonal line on the top. And we're going to do the exact same thing as we move through on the bottom. Let's close off the hand, curving this line in. Underneath now, we're going to connect this by arching this around and then back in on the right-hand side. And then on the top, we're just going to draw in a small curved line. Now let's draw on the top of the bat. We're going to draw a diagonal line that gets wider as we come in towards the top. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right, ending that at the same height. Let's close this off on the top with a curved line, rounding out those corners. And now let's draw on the right arms. On the very top, we're going to curve this line down. We're going to step in, replicating that again. Now from here on the bottom for the wrist, we're going to curve this line over and then back through. Let's leave a small diagonal line, curving that down for the corner bracket. Now in the middle for that first finger, we're going to arch this around and up. And then for that thumb, we're just going to curve this line back over. In the middle here, we're going to curve this around and through. And then stepping over one last time, curving this all the way around and then back in. Now let's draw on our legs. So from the middle, stepping over on both sides, we're going to curve this line down. We are going to draw on a small curved line with an even amount of space on both sides of this line. Let's draw on the tongue of the shoe. Stepping down, we're going to curve this around and through. And now closing off the side of the leg, we're just going to arch this line through, following that line on the inside. Let's close off the back of the foot here. So for the ankle, we're going to curve this around and in. And now for the back of the shoe, just curving this line down. Now let's curve this line across. And then from that corner, we're just going to bring this line back up and then down on the inside. Now let's close off the sole of the shoe, just bringing this around and then back through. And then on the top from the inside corner, we're just going to curve this around and down, connecting that to each line. On the inside, we're going to draw on a small diagonal line coming through. And then right in the center, we're going to curve this line across. And that is it. That's how you draw Job, 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 Sahur from Italian Brainrot. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.